Hi guys, today I'm gonna be trying out this slime that I got. So let's open it. Oh damn, this is hard. Okay, I got it open and let's try it. Oh my gosh, look at this, it's so clear. Okay, it smells actually really good. Okay, now let's hear this. And there's golden flakes, if you see it. This is just gonna be a quick video because I don't wanna like drag it on too long. It's a little bit sticky, but they do give activator with it. Oh my gosh, this is like really good, but it's kind of like rippy, but it's still really good. Look at this. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to add. So satisfying, bro. This is so good. Okay. So this is like those kind of expensive slimes from like Korea. So I think that this deserves like a 7 because this is expensive, but it's really good. That's why it's expensive, and I love it so much. Long time no see, by the way. So welcome back. So I'm just gonna keep the video to that. And yeah, bye.